Guys, KKLR637 here. I'm going to show you how to make a small firecracker, and the materials you will need for this video is a pen cap with this part broken off, and you can discard the pen, we won't be using that, some gardening tape, some masking tape, has to be the paper kind of so it can burn, some black powder, fast burning, slow burning, I think fast burning works best, and some BBs. You don't have to have those, but it makes them more like a cannon if you have them. And okay, that's all you'll need. First, take your pen cap and grab a piece of tape. And take it and put it over the end. This is to seal off the end so no gunpowder gets out. And you would want to put it on there twice just to be safe so nothing gets out, or you have it in your pocket or something. Okay. The next thing you'll want to do is take your gunpowder and take the cap and put it in there and do 2 scoops, 3. It should be pretty full. And then I'll just show you one more time. I'm only going to do 2 this time. Now we'll do 3. And that's good. And then you want to set that aside. Set that aside for a second. And now we're going to create a quick fuse. What you'll do is take a piece of masking tape, fold it in half, and just keep twisting it till it's pretty thin, so it will light. Alright. Then you just barely stick that in there. 1 second. Get some more gun. Okay.
Faces me.
And then take a BB and insert this in there, not too far. Sorry guys, it's a little windy here. And you're going to stick the BB in there. That will be to hold the fuse in place. Also, it will act as a little cannon. And just to be safe, we can add a second BB in there, and then pull it out just a little bit. This is also for fun and safety. Then after that, I'm going to take some more gardening tape, or some masking tape, and put it around, sort of on the top, so it kind of shields it, so nothing gets out from the top either. I'll do that one more time. It's a little bigger. Alright, there you go. And if you want, you can seal both ends up, put a BB in this end, and drill a hole right here, and it will, and then put a fuse from here, and it will also act as a cannon, so it's straight shooting and not straight up. Alright, and if you want to, you could possibly, just to make it look cool, take some gardening tape. I can get some off here. Please hold. And rip some of that off. And just to make it cooler. And this will also keep it a lot stronger because gardening tape is very strong. Wrap that around there. Now, this stuff is not sticky, so it will not stick to the firecracker. You will need to take a little bit of masking tape and put it around there. I'd only recommend 1 piece, like approximately this size, just to hold the end on there, which I put right there. And it will look like this when you're done. look like that. And well, that's it. And if you want, you could make it out of a Sharpie cap. This may make it bigger, and you don't have to seal up the end, so it will come straight out the top, and it's guaranteed to come straight out the top, or just explode. Alright, I am KKLarry687. Thank you, rate, comment, subscribe, and check out all our other videos, and well, thank you, bye.